Guys, welcome back to another tech video, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys how to fix the not available error in Freenom, which has been troubling people from a lot of days. Whichever, even when you're signed in or not signed in, whatever, it shows that the domain is not available, not only for the free one but it also shows the same for the paid ones. So that's the problem with Freenom. What you have to do is, for example, for a free, I'm talking about today for a free domain. So if you want GQ, you can go to .gq like that. So I want GQ, so I'm going to, so you have to go to your Chrome browser and you have to open Freenom in one side, in one tab. Then you have to go to another tab, and then you have to open if I want .gq domain. If you want any domain, you can choose it, but I want .gq, so I'm going to take .gq. So here just type your domain name. So in the domain name you should type, you can type anything. I'll type technical advisor. So let's check if it's available, and it's gonna take some time to see if it's available. So as you can see, this is also powered by Freenom itself. So as you can see, now will come selected. Like before, it was not showing the option selected. You got it right. So now when you go to checkout, you select the period. I'm selecting 12 months at free. I don't understand the difference. They put two options: 12 months at the rate free and 1 month at 1 year at the rate. So now if you have already registered, you can just use social sign in, but I'm not already registered, so I'm going to use and click on verify my email address. Okay, then you have to enter your email address, and then it will just basically ask you some options. So I already have an account, so I will just do social sign in. Okay, yeah, so I have to go to this Freenom tab, and then you have to click on sign in if you have an account. Otherwise, you can just go to the verify my email and then enter your address and all, and then you will get it. So let me pause this part when I enter the password. So I've entered the password, and now you have to click on remember me and login. Login, go to the shopping cart and refresh the page. Continue. Then it will come like this. I have read or I have to click on I agree to terms and conditions and click on complete order. And when you click on complete order, you'll see order confirmation, and then click here to go to your client area, and then you will see in my domains you can come and see technicaladvisor.gq. Now I'm gonna after tomorrow maybe I'm gonna make a video also on how to connect this free domain to Blogger, which will help you. Like when you connect it to Blogger, it cannot be this. It has to be www.technicaladvisor.gq like that. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you and don't forget to share and like the video. Thank you. Bye.